Underground facilities are nearly everywhere. In fact, there is more than 1 billion feet, roughly 20 million miles, of underground facilities in the United States. That's more than a football field's length for every man, woman, and child in the U.S. And every 9 minutes, one of these underground facilities is damaged. Did you know that? Damages that occurred on the weekend were nearly twice as likely to involve hand tools, like shovels or post hole diggers. 50% of all damages occurred between June and September. And the most damages ever reported in a single month was August. What about damages happening in Kansas? The most recent data from 2018 shows that there were 5,435 reported damages to underground facilities, with most of the damages occurring between the months of April and October. Wait, where does this data come from, and how are these damages tracked? That's where the DIRT report comes in. The Damage Incident Reporting Tool, or DIRT, is a database of voluntarily and anonymously submitted data about underground facility damage. Annually, an industry remove committee compiles the reported damage data and provides in-depth analysis of the causes, and makes recommendations to the industry about areas where damages can be reduced. So, what does the DIRT data tell us? What's causing these damages, and how can we help prevent them? If we take a closer look at the Kansas data, approximately 30% of the reported damages can be directly attributed to contractors' excavation activities. We also know that nearly 17% of the damages were the result of notification not made to the One Call Center. Simply by contacting Kansas 811 at least 2 working days before you dig, following all state rules and regulations, knowing excavation best practices, understanding and respecting the locate marks while digging with caution near underground facilities has the potential to reduce damages in Kansas by 47%.